I'm back and I'm better. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Autumn Janae, and if you're new, welcome. As you can see by the title, today's video is going to be how I do my everyday beginner-friendly makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, I would just like to add that originally I was going to do the voiceover, but then I decided to let my little sister do the voiceover. So yeah, get into.
Alright y'all, so she using 2 primers because you need 2. What's better than 1? So you just gonna rub that off your face. Rub it up, rub, rub it up, rub, rub it up, rub. Both of the primers, it's 2 of them, not 1. I'm the 1, not the 2. Yeah. Alright, now next. What's she doing? What's she doing? Is there more primer? Is that the same primer? Okay, well now she using 2 foundations. Alright. Milani and then FitMe. Milani and then FitMe. Milani just sounds so like, oh, I got on Milani. FitMe just sounds like, oh, she got on FitMe. So that's how we like, y'all, it's Milani. It's the Milani for me. Then you spray the brush. Spray. Alright. And then tap it on your neck, and your face, and your ears. And your ears. You wanna put it everywhere. Pat. Pretty pat. Hey, it's the pat for me, and I pat my face with the foundation, and I pat. Oh. Say pat your face. Oh, pat your face. You pat your face. Oh, pat your face. Then you take the beauty blender. Take the beauty blender. Now she's taking 2 concealers, girl. We don't use 2 of everything. We don't use 6 products for 3 steps. So first we put that one on there. On the nose, under the eyes, on the chin. Over your top lip. Over that top lip. Put it on there. And then you put the other one on top. Oh, we got a little dot on the forehead. Little dotty dot. Then you just want to blend all of that in. Make sure you blend in. Blend. Hashtag blend, ho. You got to make sure you blend it, girl. Because if you don't blend, you are going to end up looking like a powder donut. See, when I be doing my makeup, I be looking like powder donut. That's why I just don't do makeup, because I don't know how to do it. She not do her makeup. Right. Yeah, she not do her makeup, but I don't. And then she tapping it in. She not do her makeup, but I don't know how to do mine. I look like a powder donut. I don't like it. Okay, now she putting on the setting powder. You need that setting powder. You can't make no cake without no flour. You can't make no face without no what? Setting powder. I know that's right. That's in the Bible of makeup. On thou shalt bake, and the makeup gods, they said, when thou, and they need to tap it on in, then they take the NYX, then they rub it on their face. Hallelujah. Then you want to put that in. You want to put that in next. I'm sorry, y'all. I got ADHD probably. You want to pat that on in. Pat. It's a whole lot of blending up in here. It's a whole lot of blending in this. Oh, now she stole my contour. I know you lie. Oh, that's a nigga for you. Now she stole my contour, y'all. Look at Lay. Lay so sleepy. Look how she looking. What she doing now? She carving out that contour that she stole. So it's not really her. She carving out my contour, y'all. And she blending. She taking it off, dusting it off with the same brush. Look at Leigh. Leigh's so tired. I think she went to sleep right after that. Now that's hers. What she doing with that, I don't know. We have to ask her what she was doing with that part. I don't know what she doing with this part. Now spray your face. Thou shall set that face. Sprit, sprit, sprit. Sprit, 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 sprinkle, sprinkle, sprit, sprit, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprit, sprit. We blending again. I don't know what we blending. And now she carving out her nose like a pumpkin. Pumpkin. Honey Boo Boo. Oh my god. Honey Boo Boo. If y'all seen Honey Boo Boo when Honey Boo Boo was on Toddlers and Tiaras, and her mama made that spaghetti and put the spaghetti in the microwave with, and she claimed she was making spaghetti. She put the noodles in the microwave with ketchup, sugar, and butter. And it was like dinner. That's it. That's all she had on there. Y'all gotta watch that. I'm gonna see if Autumn will link it below. The Toddlers and Tiaras with Mama June gave them kids spaghetti and ketchup. Spaghetti noodles and ketchup with sugar on the side. Alright, now she done brought out the palettes. That's Roster Boss. I know what that is. And that's Juvia's palettes. But I don't know which ones. I know that's Roster Boss from CrayonCase though. Cause I cannot forget that ghetto packaging. That's her highlight from CrayonCase. No, she just highlighting. We blending again. At this point, if you don't blend, you will go to jail for life. If you don't blend your makeup, you will be sentenced to the electric chair. Either blend or go to jail. Life without parole when you don't blend. And that's just that on that. You need to be blending. And if you don't blend, then too bad, so sad. You will be sentenced. You shall be sentenced. Now she's making a fake mole. But you see how that shadow brings her eye color out? I got a real mole. She's spraying again. And just put your lip gloss on, and that's that, y'all. That's that. Alright. I'm done. And that's my voiceover. Thank y'all for allowing me to come here. Goodbye.
Alright, y'all. So this is the final look. Off camera, I did do my lashes and just go with my brows a little bit because all of the concealer and stuff kind of made them a little ashy. So I darkened them back up. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, turn on that bell for post notifications, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.